outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. Since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello, welcome. I'm Crystal. In today's video, I wanted to do another holiday makeup for you guys, but today we're gonna do a more dramatic look. I already filmed a soft neutral look. Today I wanted to do something dramatic, a little bit warmer, probably some like bold lashes and a bold lip. I'm super excited because, well, I feel like I say that all the time, but I'm actually really excited because I'm going to be using the Profusion Wanderlust palette, and I picked this up a while ago, but I have not used it. I mean, I have a lot of these Profusion palettes. They're just so amazing. The quality is so good, and they're like $10 for the palette. So I picked this one up from Walmart, and I'll leave everything down below in the description box what I'm using. I'm also excited because I'm using these new lashes that I picked up from j.lash. These are the pop ones. They're so dramatic. Look at these. Oh my god. That's a little sneak peek of what I'm using. Like I said, I'll leave everything down in the description box below. Also, my soft tutorial will be linked right here if you're more interested in the softer glam. Before we get into this video, please make sure that you are subscribed if you haven't already. Hit that notification button down below so you don't miss out any of my videos, and thumbs up this video if you do enjoy. So let's get into it. Hey guys, so this is going to be a voiceover because my audio while recording this was so bad. Listening to it, I was like, there's no way I could upload it like this. So I'm starting off using my MAC Stock Orchid paint pot, and I'm applying that all over my lid. And then I'm going in with the first shadow, that's the darkest brown in the shadow, with a nice like smudger brush. And I'm actually packing that onto the crease before blending it out with the next shade that's right next to it in the palette, and just making sure that I diffuse the edges a little bit more. And then I'm going to go back and forth with the same shades just to make sure that the intensity is there. And then I'm going in with the Vaseline. And yes, this is so easy, you guys. If you struggle with making cut creases, this is going to save your life. So I think Mama Mitchell was the one who I saw do this before. I could be wrong, but he actually takes the Vaseline, cuts it, and then use a little Q-tip, what I'm doing, to take the remaining of the shadow off. And then I go back in with my MAC Soft Orchid paint pot to cut the crease even more.
And there were in the same country shepherds, abiding in the field, keeping watch over their flock by night. And lo, the angel of the Lord came upon them, and the glory of the Lord shone round about them. And they were sore afraid. And the angel said unto them, Fear not.
I'm going in with the angle brush with that first darker brown shade to just define that crease a little bit more. And then I go in with this nice like off-white shadow. It has a little bit of a shimmer to it. I really wanted to keep this look pretty matte, but this wasn't too shimmery where it kind of was going to be blinding. So I really like that. I'm just applying that all over the lid.
Behold, I bring you tidings of great joy, which shall be to all people. For unto you is born this day in the city of David a Savior, which is Christ the Lord. And this shall be a sign unto you. You shall find the babe wrapped in swaddling clothes, lying in a manger. And suddenly there was with the angel a multitude of the heavenly host praising God.
Then I'm going in with the more cool tone brown, and I'm doing this liner effect. And I wanted to do this before I do my black liner because I really want it to be a little bit more smoky and a little different. Now, you don't have to do liner if you don't want to, but I kind of wanted to be extra in this video. So, yeah. For the liner, I'm using the NYX Body and Eye liquid liner, and this is so perfect because if you struggle with liner, again, this tip is very, very thin, so you could do it as thin as you want it or as thick. Then for my lashes, I'm going in with the L'Oreal mascara. I'll leave it on the description box below because I forget the name. It's a newer one that just came out before going in with my falsies. And while my false lashes dry, I'm going in with my primer. This is the e.l.f. Putty Primer. And then I'm also going to set my face using the Mario Badescu spray to give more hydration back to my face. And then I go in with my Pop Lashes by j.lash. Pop those bad boy on. You guys, you need to pick up j.lashes. They are so affordable and they're so bomb. So if you haven't tried j.lash, you guys been noticing I've been using them a lot in my videos. So go pick them up right now, ASAP, right now. And then I'm going to color correct with the Benefit Brightening Boi--ee-ing, and this has a little orange undertone because I had a little bit of blemishes. Also, I forgot to wax my lips, so my mustache was a little peeked through, and my husband was like, yo, your mustache is like showing. And I was like, oh my god. So that's what I'm doing. So for foundation, I'm using the e.l.f. Makiage 105 Woke Up Like This foundation, I believe it is. And I'm just applying that all over my face with my AOA Studio F4 brush. And then I'm blending that out using a beauty sponge. For concealer, I'm using the I Am Magic by Juvia's Place in number 16. Applying that to the center of my face. And then going in with my cream contour palette by NYX to cream contour. Now, I don't do my forehead because the way I applied my wig that day, it was just bad. And you can see all the like spray that was left over from the Got2b spray like on my forehead. I forgot to wipe it off with rubbing alcohol, so it was just really, really bad. So I just blend that all out using my sponge. And then I'm setting it with my Banana Powder by Black Radiance. And then for bronzer, I'm going in with my Hula Caramel by Benefit. And I actually just use a little bit of the bronzer on my forehead instead of doing the cream because it was just like, no. For blush, I'm going in with the Profusion Blush 3 palette, and I'm mixing 2 shades, and I'm applying that onto my cheekbones and a little bit on my nose and the tiniest bit on my forehead. To set that in place, I'm using the same Mario Badescu spray and then blending that with the beauty sponge. For my lower lash line, I'm actually taking all 3 of those browns and smoking that on the lash line and putting a little bit of mascara. For my inner corner highlight, I'm going in with my Nicole Guerrero Forever Young by ABH, and applying that into the inner corner as well as my cheekbones and center of my face. Moving on to my lips, I'm taking my NYX lip liner in deep red. I think they changed the name of this because I tried to look for it and the name was a little different, so I don't know what it's called now. For lipstick, I'm going in with the MAC Classic Russian Red. I love this color, you guys. Oh my god, I freaking love this color. But every time I do red, I overdraw my lips and it looks crazy. And in the end of the video, I end up having lipstick on my teeth, which was a no-no. I forgot to look in the mirror, but yeah, this is all it. So this is the completed look, you guys. I hope you all enjoy. I really love how it came out, except like a certain, you know, shadow that didn't work and something that was going on underneath my eyes. I don't know what, but overall I do like the look. Now I personally should have worn my other wig because I feel like there's too much red going on, like with the red hair, red lip, but some people do like that. I love seeing redheads with red lips, like looks so gorgeous, but on me I feel like it's just a little too much. You know, I am trying to do like a dramatic look, but overall I love how the eyes came out. Now you don't have to do a black liner if you don't want to. You could definitely keep the brown if you would like to. I also have brown liner that I love to use. I always do like wing liners with brown, but I wanted to do something different and do like the bold black liner. Also the classic red lip. Russian Red is one of my favorite lipsticks from MAC. Russian Red was actually the first lipstick that I ever bought for them, and I love this so much that I repurchased it. So yeah, I'll leave everything down in the description box below if I forget to mention everything. If you guys see my table right now, it looks crazy. But I hope you guys enjoy your holiday. If you recreate this, please let me know. Please follow me on all my social media accounts. I'll leave that down below as well. And yeah, I definitely will have more holiday looks for you guys coming, so keep that in the mind. I don't have anything else to say, but I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.